a science fiction writer wrote a book, and it was a science fiction novel. From that story, this guy formed a religion. Scientology? You don't know anything about it?
But do you know about Scientology? Tom
Yeah.
Cruise?
I know Tom Cruise.
But we've heard that he injects aliens.
No, that's not it.
We've heard that he injects aborted babies into his
No,
skin.
like stem cells.
Oh, okay.
And no, but you understand that's a treatment for a lot of diseases. If you understand what a stem cell is, so it's a cell that can turn into other cells. Like it's a kind of like a, there's different types of cells in your body, but when a baby's being born, all the stem cells like grow to become a heart or a brain cell or a spine cell. So if someone like Christopher Reeve is a big advocate that they do stem cell research into helping quadriplegics regrow their spinal cords.
Or Michael J. Fox for people with Parkinson's disease.
Because stem cells, when they're put into the body, can, like if there's a degenerative disease, can rebuild the bit that's degenerated.
Ah. Oh.
Yeah. So, but the problem is, the ethical issue with stem cells is where you get them from. So, one of the main sources is fetuses. And where do you get fetuses from? They're seen as not living beings yet, babies, until you're born. And one of the sources is aborted fetuses. And so there's a big ethical debate whether that is human or not.
Well, of course it is, if it's in a woman's body.
It's not. It's not classified as human.
Oh, please.
Or life. It's not classified as a living being yet. When is life created? But then there's other things like if an unborn baby, I think it's a time frame that after a certain amount of weeks it's classified as, so if a pregnant woman is injured and the baby's injured, you can be held accountable for 2 lives that you've affected. But look, it's a very like taboo subject to talk about. And so science says
taboo.
Like dangerous or?
Well, very emotional because if you've had an abortion in your life, that's your right as a female to do that. But there'd be a lot of people that have there's a right of life of the unborn baby, of a fetus to grow.
It's at the center of a lot of controversy.
Yeah. So apparently there's this new trend that what can make someone look younger is stem cells. So they'll inject stem cells into your face.
So that you get more collagen?
Well, I don't know, you can rebuild old skin, make it look new, younger. Because essentially the stem cells is like cells that can become like new skin that's young. There's a lot you wouldn't know. Do you know if you get a skin graft from a burn, an injury, surgery, that skin graft is usually grown from the foreskins of circumcised babies. They don't throw it in the bin, they use it to grow skin grafts. So you might have a foreskin.
No, I haven't had a skin graft.
Well, it's just science. It's not like you've got a penis on your arm. It's just an available source of skin cells that they can use.
Yeah. I'll make sure I don't get one anytime soon. Shit. The wonders of the world.
Yeah. Well, it's science, but there's a lot of ethics involved. With
But if
certain
I
areas.
met Tom Cruise, I'd just ask him
Yeah.
if you have these injections. I just want to know. I'll ask
he
He
would
him.
might
answer-
not say yes
He
or no.
probably
I
wouldn't
don't
answer
know.
you.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but I'll get it out of him.
How?
I dare ya, but he might have you killed. Like,
Do you think?
I don't know. Some people have
'Cause
power like
he's a
that.
superpower of the world. He's a super.
He is a very, very well-known person who probably has a lot of pull with.
The government,
Not
superpowers.
necessarily the
Or
government,
the
but
Illuminati, whoever.
the
lizards-
Illuminati,
The lizards that run this world.
that's right.
and the superpowers. The Illuminati.
Beyonce,
The what?
Beyonce and Rihanna are also part of the Illuminati.
apparently.
Is that right?
Yeah. Michael Jackson was killed by the Illuminati. Yeah.
Not by that doctor. You don't think? Where was that? Was that doctor controlled by the Illuminati as well?
Possibly.
You think so?
I don't know.
You think they use the doctor as a
I
scapegoat?
don't think
for
we'll
the
ever
Michael
know.
Jackson
Maybe
thing?
you find out when you die. All the secrets of the world.
But those people can't live to tell everyone else on Earth
Well, exactly.
about it.
Such a stupid conversation.
It's not at all.
It's not. It's only in when you have nothing
It's
else to talk about that you
fascinating.
start pondering these things in life.
Well, it might be hard to go on there right now.
Oh,
I'd
Thanks.
leave it a few minutes.
it's all right. It's not urgent. I'll sit and chat for a few minutes. Then
is
I'll let it air out. Did you spray
fascinating.
shampoo?
No, you know
Well,
what?
I believe
think
that
it smells worse when I do that.
when you die,
Did you?
Come
The air
back
freshener
again.
doesn't
Absolutely.
and that there's
sprinkle that around. Cool.
memory that sticks
Good,
in
good.
us, in the core of our spirit, that it's like there's a song playing that we can't even hear. There's something like we know something, but we can't quite pinpoint it. And it's because it's like residual memories from our past life. And some people can
this
tune
all
into it
Phil's
more than others.
outfit?
And that's why you have repeating dreams.
Yep. Yep.
We're gonna have to get